Just gonna do a quick video on this little tow behind backhoe. It's pretty darn clean. Seats like brand new. I'm gonna fire it up for you. Kind of show you how it operates. Pretty simple. Just turn it on. She should fire. Thing is, this one here is not wanting to cooperate. So, okay, 13-inch bucket on there. So this ram here is not extending the red one, but other than that, she's good to go. So if you're handy with hydraulics, you can fix it. Anyways, cool little rig. Start bidding now. And we'll see you when you come to pick it up and tow it away. Thanks for watching. Questions, email in, and we'll try to answer any questions you have. Thank you.